Hello, in our previous episode, we have seen how we can dynamic our blog post, but two things was remaining there, only the get time permalinks and the author permalinks. So we'll do that today now, and for doing that, for the time permalinks, so if someone click on here, then that specific day post we can see that. So for doing this dynamic, we need to know about get day link. So as you can see here, get day link, first parameter is year, then second is month, and the third one is day. If we scroll down a little bit, then you can see what I was talking about. The archive year is first one the year, get the time year, and the second one is month, and the third one is day. So through this we can pass it in our HRDF. So then the specific date that post has been posted, if the user click on the link, then they can access all the post on that specific date. So we'll do that here. So for that we'll make a function. So if we have so many times we need to use it, then we can use that by our functions. So in our functions folder, have we create one? Okay, so we will create a functions file here, that techbij functions.php. Then in here we will write a function techbij block date permalink. Okay, block date permalink, and obviously we can give a parameter here also, give a things here like if function not exist. So right now I'm skipping that, you can do that. And inside the functions I'll write like this. Okay, and the link that I want to generate, link is equal, then I will write this one, get the link. Yeah, get the link and this, and now I'll return this. So when I call this functions, then this link that will be generated. Okay, so we have included this, we need to include this file in our functions.php. So in here theme function, okay, then inc, then techbij functions.php. Okay, now we'll copy this and paste it in our where is that blog style one here, and you can see here in the permalink we'll write the php, then echo, okay, techbij block date permalink. And now if I go here and give a refresh, you can see on the bottom left that on the URL localhost /wp learning /2023 0905. So that's the date. So it has been perfectly done. Now it's time to do this one. This, as you can see here, localhost /wp learning blog.html as per this one. So now for the author dynamic, there is a functions already that is called get author post URL. As you can see here, get author post URL, I am saying it again, and it is having author ID and the author nickname. And if I scroll down a bit, then you can see here example has been set here, and we'll copy this one, echo esc URL and the get author post URL, then the author meta, and set the ID. Okay, so I'll copy here the full one, copy it, and in here I'll just paste it. That's the thing I need to do for the author. And if I now go here and give a refresh, then you can see author is repon. So localhost /wp learning /author /repon. So that's the way to dynamic these two things here. So thank you very much. See you on next episode.